Good evening and welcome to my second motivational video upload. If you've seen my first video, you'll know that I'm pursuing my dream of becoming the youngest top billing presenter. Tonight I'm going to tell you why I need your support and why I'm perfect for the job. Firstly, I think it's imperative for you to understand why I'm pursuing this. I have always had a love for presenting. Not just presenting, but excellent presenting. And top billing is just that. Top billing and I share something in common, and that is excellence in execution. But is that enough for top billing to break the barriers of age? I don't think so. My passion, my determination for perfection, and my presentation style, I believe, are sufficient enough for those barriers to be broken. But sufficiency is not enough when it comes to top billing. That is why your support will upgrade my sufficiency to an extraordinary level. So for those who believe in my pursuit, and for those who believe that I can break these barriers, I ask for your support in getting the attention of the producers by liking my Facebook page and following my Twitter accounts, which are located in the description area of those videos. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching. God richly bless and good night.